When using BRIKclad on lower elevations and transitioning to another type of siding such as vinyl, stucco, metal, and so on, it is important to flash the material above and compartmentalize the BRIKclad below. This is done with a simple metal flashing over top of the BRIKclad, which will direct any water away from the top edge and face of the brick. This same flashing needs to be installed on top of the BRIKclad sill if being used at the transition point, as well flashing the wall above onto the sill and allowing the sill to direct the water away from the top of the brick. There are detailed drawings that show how to achieve this. The metal flashing also needs to be counterflashed and sealed with the approved tape to the weatherproof membrane. The other types of sidings are then installed. Often a vertical strapping behind the other siding types will bring the face of the alternate siding flush or closer to the face of the BRIKclad.